guys, so I just got back from Trader Joe's. I was on the hunt for some Valentine's Day themed snacks. So let's take a look at all the things that I got today. So I'm going to start off with the more boring items, but I got some salads. I got the Waldorf salad. I've had these before. These are super delicious. I was actually looking for the turkey breast butternut squash salad that I've only seen one time. Like, I haven't seen it the past few times I've gone, but they didn't have it again. So I got 2 of these. And then I also got this baby spinach and green salad. So this one's really good. It has blue cheese in it, pecans, and cranberries. I know some people are split on blue cheese. I personally love it. So I got one of those. I'm trying to eat healthier in the new year. And then I also got this non-dairy oat creamer brown sugar. I've never tried this before. I've actually only tried their cinnamon one, but I didn't see it this time. Maybe it was a seasonal thing during the holidays. So I got that. And then I got this again. So this is the hot cocoa whipped body scrub. I think they're probably honestly just trying to clear it out from the holiday seasonal items. But I like the way this smells. It's like a fun addition to my shower routine. So that's personally why I always get these. And then these last 2 items are more exciting, but I got these really cute raspberry mousse cakes. I'm actually probably going to be enjoying this. I'm probably going to do like a cookie night tomorrow, so I'm probably going to enjoy these as a dessert. They look so cute and delectable. And then I also got these Trader Joe's mini heart cookies. Oh, this way. But these look also super delicious. But that's about it. I did see some additional items. Like I saw the ravioli, the Valentine's Day ravioli, which I'll pop up here. But again, I think I mentioned it before. I'm kind of a lazy eater, and that one's not ready to eat. So I think you have to cook out your own sauce, etc. I didn't get those. And I also did see the mousse cake, which I've seen a lot of positive reviews about. But I was just trying to pick only one dessert because I'm trying to be somewhat healthy in the new year. And last thing I'm going to mention is, I don't know if this is available at all Trader Joe's locations, but they do have some utensils that you can grab on your way out. So if you're going to be eating your salad on the go, I think it's a good option. But anyhow, I hope you guys are having a great day, and yeah, look out for some more Trader Joe's hauls.